How to cancel free trials on the iPhone? Well, the first thing you need to understand is that trials are actually also considered subscriptions. And in fact, on the iPhone, you will find free trials in the very same place where you also find regular subscriptions. Secondly, it's important to understand that subscriptions for apps that have been downloaded through the Apple App Store are usually handled by Apple itself. Now that we've got this out of the way, let me show you where to find free trials on the iPhone. First of all, please open up the Settings app. On top, you should then see your profile with the name and Apple ID, iCloud, Media and Purchases. Make sure to tap on that. Then select Subscriptions. You should then see a list with all your app subscriptions. This list also includes free trials, because as I have explained before, Apple also lists free trials under subscriptions. Now to cancel a free trial, simply tap on the app for which you would like to cancel the free trial for, and then tap on Cancel Free Trial. You will need to enter your Apple ID password to confirm. After that, you will usually get a pop-up notification like this one here, and you will need to tap on Confirm to finalize the process. As you can see now, it now says your subscription will expire soon. So we successfully cancelled our trial. Now there is one more important thing to note. Trial periods for apps are usually 7 days. However, for many of these, you will actually need to cancel after 6 days already to make sure that you not get charged. This is very important. So to ensure that you won't need to pay anything, always make sure to cancel your trial the latest after 6 days and not 7 days. In fact, what I recommend you to do is to cancel a trial immediately after you signed up for it. Because after cancelling a trial, you can usually still use the app until the trial period is over, even if you cancel it shortly after subscribing. And this is how you cancel free trials on the iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.